Welcome boys and girls if any. I'm going to show my efforts to create a laser exposer based on parts which I collect from various laser printers, scanner and so on. Here is the laser scanner unit from HP LaserJet 1000. Here you can see the PCB on the left. I open the unit. I prepare it already. You can see its internal build. Here is the square polygon mirror, which I'm trying not to touch. It's perfect silver covered surface. Here is the driver chip. It's Panasonic built, and we begin with the lens I'm going to remove. I will remove this lens because I feel that it's not helping me to focus the UV laser much. Next I'm going to remove this mirror which deflects the laser beam because I want the laser beam to exit from this side of the laser scanner and not to be reflected somewhere under it, just because my mechanical construction will get easier this way. The first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the current laser, which is in place where I need to put my new UV laser. To remove the PCB, we need to melt the solder here where is the laser diode, because it holds the PCB in place after you remove the screws, of course. I already desoldered the laser diode, so I can remove the PCB. I am gonna to remove the whole unit. You can see the focusing lens also. This is the PCB. Okay, I already desoldered the diode, so I removed the PCB. You can see what's under it. It's a problem because I cannot take out the diode. Also the lens, which is glued here. So I'm going to cut this. Yes, I don't see another way. Okay.